Hey everyone, Yuri Matzo here, and today we're doing the Honda Ridgeline Gen 2 transmission fluid change. Here are all the items you're going to need. A socket set to remove the plastic from underneath the Honda Ridgeline, a funnel to put the automatic transmission fluid ATF W1 3.3 quarts in, a replacement 18mm crush gasket, an inline filter, transmission filter, a breaker bar 3/8 for the lower drain plug, at least a flathead to remove some of the clips that hold that plastic underneath, and then a torque wrench, also 3/8, and in foot-pounds to torque the drain plug back to its original settings. So let's get this started. So now we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic. You're also going to need a Phillips to remove these two bolts here, and a 10mm socket wrench to remove all the bolts around. So let's get that removed. So now we're going to go ahead and replace the filter. The filter is located right here. This is this item right here. And there's a 10mm bolt on this right side that you need to unscrew so this clamp comes off and the filter can be released. So we're going to do that next. Now that we have the filter loose, you can start taking it off and replacing it. Now the tube goes right back on with this portion facing down. Now we're going to go ahead and put the clamp back on. So now we're going to go ahead and remove the drain plug and drain the fluid. And it's a 3/8 breaker bar. Now while this is draining over here, we're going to go ahead and look at the drain plug itself, and there's actually quite a bit of buildup on this drain plug, on the magnet itself. If you guys can see that, but so I don't know how much is a normal amount for a transmission, but you guys in the comments can let me know if that's a normal amount for 30,000 miles. I'm actually right under 30,000. I'm I think at 27,000 miles. So you guys can see that right there, that there's some shavings. But it's nothing as thick or hard or big. It's just a really smooth, fine metal breakdown or shavings. So everything in here is pretty fine and nothing big and large that is broken off. So that doesn't give me any cause for concern right now. But anybody who knows more about transmissions for 30,000 miles, if that looks normal or not, you guys can let me know. So now that this has been replaced, we're going to go ahead and get a new crush ring. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall it. Now we're going to go and just reinstall the cover. Now that we have the transmission drained, we're going to go ahead and insert the funnel to pour in the oil. And so now we're going to go drop the truck and we're going to go check the dipstick to make sure everything's good. So now Honda recommends that you turn on the vehicle and you let it operate until the fan turns on. Then you turn off the truck and you wait 60 seconds, but no longer than 90 seconds. Then you pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, put it back in, and then check and make sure that it's between the hot and cold lines. I have my truck already at operating temperatures, so we're gonna wait for another 30 seconds. And if everything looks good, you're done with your transmission change, and that'll be it. So that's how you change the transmission fluid on the 2nd gen Honda Ridgelines. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.